Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships, episode 12. We're halfway there as we head to Mars, the third race on Mars. And here we go. Go! Always wanted to say that. Sorry, just a bit loud. Okay, Leiwa's quite a fair way ahead now. I just missed him. A disc. In onto this bit. Giant robots. We dig giant robots here at Galactic Racing Championships. And into the power plant, Waterfall Corner. Out again, going very fast with his hover car. Across the line for lap 2 now. Someone let off electrical bomb. Another electrical bomb. That's a sand twister. Someone letting off a dog now. Oh, raining lava. Yippee. In through the mine. Someone mining. And onto the plane again. And over this bridge, over the river of lava, in fact. They was just being invisible. Very exciting stuff, this. Yippee, and all that. Someone letting off another electrical bomb here. This electrical bomb's central here on Mars today. There's another giant robot. Leiwa going across the metal bridge now, past the volcanoes. Someone there, past the pits, and bam! Leiwa has just been hit by a... forgotten what it was now. But anyway, there's a natural bridge there, and Leiwa has a propeller missing now. Don't know how this will affect any outcome of the race whatsoever. Probably won't do anything at all, but one can only hope. Electrical bomb. And that's it.